Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check your Google Chrome download history. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So the first thing have to do is to tap on Google Chrome browser on your phone, and then I'll simply download a MP3 sample to show you. Now I'll simply open this website, and it is taking too long to load. And once this site will open, I'll simply tap on download, and it will ask me that the file is being downloaded. Now if you tap on download, it will start download, and if you tap on that cross, it disappears from right here and you'll not be able to find it. Now all you'll have to do to find that downloads is to tap on three dots on the bottom right and then tap on the download button. If you are not able to see it, you'll have to scroll down to this section and you'll be able to find the down going arrow that says downloads. Now you'll be able to find this sample that I've just downloaded in this folder. Now if you go back, and again you'll be able to find this download section, and basically it's the file manager on my iPhone where all the downloads have been saved. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button,